Hi, this is Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging, and I'm here at Thailand's electronics exhibition run by the PCBA in Bangkok. Everyone that I've spoken to is very positive and upbeat, not only about the exhibition, but the future of electronics manufacturing in Thailand. So the future for Thailand is looking very strong in electronics manufacturing, and they're broadening the show to look at EV and other electric vehicles as well. And I'm sure it's going to be bigger and much better even than this next year. This is Keith Bryant signing out.